We're back. This customer decided they wanted a garbage disposal. They said they left it here for me, but I'm not seeing it. Oh, jeez. Well, I guess I gotta clean that out. And, oh, there it is. Get it cleaned out, get the drop cloth down there so you don't spill any of our clear primer and mess anything up. Thank God we don't have purple. My hands are wrenches. Don't drop the screwdriver, don't drop the screwdriver, don't drop the screwdriver. Let's try this out. Nope. 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 Shit. Alright, what else we got? Hey, these might work. No, they'll just snap it. God damn it. That's why we tried it. What else we got? Hey, these things might work. Yeah. You're out of here. Let's get the comment section going right here. You guys put the washers over the pipe or in the disposal? The answer is over the pipe in this case. So let's rapid fire this stuff. We're not wasting any time. Throw it in there, work on magic, bam, done. But we can't do a project without having a problem. Ah, man. Luckily, we got one of these in the truck. Throw it in there, bam, done. Put the high loop in for the dishwasher. You need the high loop. It wasn't there before. And it's looking good. I don't know why people even want garbage disposals. I mean, if you knew the list of stuff that couldn't go down the garbage disposal, you'd say, why do I have one? And that's the point. Why do you have one? I mean, you're going from an 1.5 or 2-inch hole for food to go down to tiny slits. And it's going to mash it all up, so the day after Thanksgiving, you call us out to clear your drains. I mean, it's just not the ticket. But not my money, not my problem.